Hello everyone, welcome back. So now today we will be learning the comment tool. Okay, so for that now I'm going to first take the frame. So I'm going to use the shortcut F. Okay, so let's say this is a frame. Okay, let me just change it. So let's say I want to have Android medium. Okay, so I'm going to create multiple copies of it. So I can just make copies by just holding the option button, sorry, the comment button in the for the Windows users, and in the shortcut basically you will also be getting the shortcuts for the Mac OS. So I'm going to make multiple copies just by holding the comment button and just dragging one from the frame. Okay, let's say there are 3 frames. I can just rename it to, let's say, frame 1, frame 2, frame 3, frame 4. So now let's make a circle. So I'm going to, I have just used the shortcut O. So holding the shift button, I have created a circle over here. So I'm going to make another copy just by holding the comment button and just dragging it from one frame to another. So now I'm going to change the color. So I'm going to come to this fill option and just add random colors. Okay, so now to use basically the comment tool, in the comment tool we basically have 3 type of tools. Basically we will be using the comment and as well as the presentation tool today. So let's select this one. Okay, now I'm going to this top of the right navbar option. Here you will find this pause or play type of button. So it will say present. So I'm going to press it over here. It will kind of give you a prototype of feel so that you can just know what is happening. So okay, this is the thing. Now I'm going to just click or just use the right arrow from your keyboard. Okay, so you can see you can just change from one frame to another. Okay, so now if you want to add comments, for example, if you're working with a team and you are showcasing your design to in front of the team, so the teammates can basically be able to make comment on this. So how? Let me show you. So here there is a comment logo beside the Figma logo. So once you just click over it, it allows you to add the comment. So you see my pointer cursor is now changed. It is showing a black drop. So I can just put it over here like a comment. Wow, let's say nice. Okay, so now you can just like the use the submit button. You can also add images over here. You can add mentions if you want to add a particular teammate, like mention a particular teammate. You can also add emojis. So I'm going to just submit over here. So your other teammate or you will be able to see what is written over here. So let me change the frame. So you see that's not visible anymore, but whenever the frame is the particular frame is over here, the basically comment will be shown. So you can actually reply from here or your teammates can reply from here. So this is how you can basically be able to use this comment tool. Now if you want to delete it or like do something else, you can just always come to these options. It will show you that mark as unread or copy the link or delete the thread. If you want to delete it, just press it over here and it will be deleted. So this is how you can use the comment tool. It is very important to use whenever you are working in a team. So it will be extremely helpful. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching the video.